I mean, it's the sunrise today. The sky is pink. Oh my god. So early. Today we are in intervals at Halang. I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm not a runner. Wish me luck. And my cough. Our pace sucks. Helps. Just came home from my first interval training. I don't think I've ran 5k in a long time. I think we ran about 5 to 6 today. I am still having a cold. Good that I'm no longer feverish, so I still turn up for it, but it's affecting my run. Yeah, but I try not to push myself too hard for it because it's been a long time since I ran, because I was trying to build muscles for the first half of the year, so I haven't been running. I'm not used to it. I don't have the endurance for it. My pace is pretty slow. I think the main point is to just keep going. Actually today, right, I had a rude awakening because all along I thought that the stations are the bulk of the race. Today I realized running is the bulk of the race. So you got to be better at running than your stations if you want to clock a good timing. I wanted to show you guys this sports bra that I have been wearing a lot for Hyrox training because I love the high neckline. This is how the back looks like. Really like it. It's from Gym Squad Active. This is actually their collab with Fitstop. It comes in brown as well, so I don't know, maybe I want to get it too. Really like this cutting. Like, there are days where I prefer high cut, especially like on high impact days. So yeah. Guys, can I introduce you a very underrated actually no lah, they have a lot of business already. They don't need me to introduce. Okay, but I will put the details here. Here's my lunch for today. It smells so good. It's the end of the day. We had a very productive day today. We had beautiful sunrise and sunset. Perfect. Why am I behaving like I have no Hyrox in a month's time? Nice!
Oh, she's eating already.
Going for my fourth Hyrox training. Don't get me even started. Wish me luck today. Yay! Just done with my Hyrox workout. I know that just now at the start of the workout I was telling you all that I wasn't feeling it. I really think that the hardest part is turning up and also like starting the first 500 meters of skiing, which is about 3 minutes of work. But after that it becomes very bearable. And yeah, now I look forward to every Hyrox training. I just need to improve my running. I think we stand decent chance. I wouldn't say we'll smash a good timing, but honestly, I just hope we get a decent timing because of how little time we have. But if we don't do well this time, it's fine. Okay, we can always do it another time next year or next month. Tunes! Today is a Tuesday night. I'm super excited because we are going for dinner. Usually we have dinner at home, but tonight is different. I'm such a romantic person. He dressed up for the occasion. Looking good. This is where we are going. Just done with extraction. I look like an egg. I'm all numbed up for something really exciting today, and also something that I've been talking to you guys about. That's Pureness, the form of the skin boosters that uses Trout's DNA. This is my third session. Full treatment requires 3 sessions, so I'm really excited to see the full benefits. For those of you who don't know, every Thursday I do a TikTok live stream with Caris Labelle, and this is Caris, the lady boss. Hello! Yes, so if you are keen, come and join us, okay? We're trying on very nice clothes every Thursday for you, going at a good deals, and also having a beauty giveaway at the same time. Yeah! Okay. Yay! Today's lunch from Fit3. This is a vegetarian dish. Sometimes I like to have vegetarian food. So this is the version of vegetarian pad thai. These are the nutrition contents. Dude, this class feels like an F45. They also well, right? Today is the 6th training for Hyrox. Maybe for a run at MBS area. It'll be a nice run, but I hope I feel okay. Ayo, I become that person at the 8 AM crowd at Botanic Gardens. But I'm very proud of us.
Okay, it should be.
I'm not a runner, but I caught up. Ah, 好多乌龟哦. This is a new bar that we're visiting today. So nice. Okay, Mr. Eric is the one better at golf, not me. Let him take his time. So I just came back from a family dinner and I just wanted to jump in quickly and say that I had a really good time. I honestly think that my sister-in-law is such a great addition to our family. I just really love the effort that she puts in with our family. Because of her, we are gathering more often, we are having more family dinners, and like everything's just so joyous. Yeah, today was a really nice day. I think if you guys have followed me long enough, you would have known that family gatherings are actually something that used to be very uncomfortable for me. But yeah, ever since like I've decided to, really take a good charge of my mental health. Ever since like even this year's Chinese New Year was the first Chinese New Year that I have stopped crying. Because family gatherings have become way more manageable for me now. And yeah, I just truly enjoy every gathering now. And today was also like one of the first few times that I realized that actually, honestly, it's also my parents' first time being a parent. Like, they became parents so young. Nobody told them how to be parents, and they did the best they could. They didn't know any better, and I am starting to view them as humans, and I have managed to really just stop being angry at them. And because of that, every family gatherings are precious and happy for me. So it's just such a nice feeling to feel that way, to be excited about gathering each time. So yeah, just a very random thought. I had a lot of random thoughts throughout the day. So I really kind of want to do my vlog in Chinese sometimes, but I'm not too sure if you guys like that, because the truth is I grew up speaking Mandarin and then I only improved my English, which isn't very good anyway. Till today, I don't think my English is really that good. I only grew up learning how to speak English kind of fluently when I went to poly, because we stopped getting exams, right, in Mandarin. So people just naturally spoke more English, and then that improved my English greatly. But at home, my parents could barely speak English fluently. So yeah, 我知道你们要不要看我的视频 in 中文 Now I'm also at an awkward stage in my life where I actually am more comfortable in conversing and expressing myself in English, but I don't want to lose my Chinese. That's why I watch so many Chinese medieval shows, because I love Chinese literature. And if I can, obviously at home I converse with my parents in Mandarin, but I realized that I am mixing a lot of English into my Mandarin now, that they are very question mark. Because when you don't work that muscle in your brain, that Mandarin muscle, you just forget how to express yourself in Mandarin, and you end up directly translating from English, which shouldn't be the way. Okay, I'm gonna start doing my makeup now. So this is the before. I call these the staircase of hell, because after a training, if it's a late day, you can see my camera is trembling. Your whole body will be trembling and it'll be very hard to go down these stairs. But This is the happiest moment when you exit the drink. Brunch. He's finally back. It was fun. We made it this morning. Yay! Such a nice place to run. My first time.
I think like along that stretch, it's nearer to the main road, but then again,
Bring Tia for a run today. But then I realized she can't really run the full 5k like, so we're walking now. So because Tia couldn't run with me just now, I had to go and run another 5k on the treadmill, and now I'm dying because I'm not wearing running shoes, and because of that my calves hurt, but I'm so glad I did it.
Last minute, I keep the form as you can.
Yeah, I think that's quite doable. We're just done with our Hyrox training. Today is the fifth training? Is it fifth training? Fifth training?
Yes.
Compromise running.
Yeah. So our running is still shit, yeah, at this point. I will keep reflecting along the journey. See how we feel that day. We cannot run! The star of the show. 30 grams of uni with caviar. Thank you. That's for me. The next half. This is 7. Yeah, this one. My favorite water table. We are at the Fenty Beauty's event today. That's how it looks like. So it's located at Singapore Edition in like a suite. Can I show you the rooms? They're like quite interesting rooms. Okay, over here we have a bathroom, which is very cute. It's like products. Yeah, I use this one. Very good. Oh, I highly recommend. 真的. Okay, and then we have this bathtub that I got in and take pictures just now. And then we got a photo room where we lay on the bed and take photos. That's the camera. This is my favorite station because I can scoop gummy bears. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. We have come to the end, and as usual there's gonna be a giveaway. The mechanics is in the description box down below. Let me know in the comments what you like about this video, what would you like to watch next. That will be very helpful. Yeah, I hope you are having a great week so far. I'll see you next week.